Hinada Water Treatment Tech Co. Limited, established in 2012, is a leading Chinese manufacturer of wastewater and water filtration systems. The company offers comprehensive solutions for water and wastewater projects, including designing, supply, installation support, commissioning, and training. Our service provided is first, consultation and design, customized solutions to meet wastewater treatment needs and comply with environmental regulations. Second, installation support, full installation of treatment plants for efficient operation. Third, technical support, ongoing assistance with troubleshooting, maintenance, and upgrades. Fourth, training, staff training for proper systems operation and maintenance. Fifth, after-sales service, reliable support to address issues and ensure system performance. For tailored solutions, contact Hinada directly to discuss your requirements and receive a detailed proposal.